The first thing I need to do on this project is to square up the wood. One thing I also need to do is figure out how to use my gripper so that I use the heel at the end to push that through. And I gotta square up the other side. And that goes flying. So I am not much of an artist. This is stretching the limits of my artistry to freehand this heart onto the wood. Anyone else who struggles with art, give me a shout out in the comments. We quickly transition to the bandsaw, where I begin cutting out the heart, starting from the easiest point and working toward the hardest part. The hardest part is, of course, the top, middle, and worked my way in there a little bit. Glad I just kind of cut it off and started from the easy side again. I tried cleaning it up on the bandsaw a little bit more than what I show, just to make it a little easier when I got to the sanding point, but there was still quite a bit of sanding. I think I started with 60 grit, Cubitron 3M paper. You can get some for your very own if you'd like. Got some links in the description. This is not the first heart that I've made. I have a recent video that I made a three-dimensional heart and some unintentional offcut hearts that my wife liked even better than the three-dimensional heart. So you can check that video up using the link in the upper right-hand corner if you would like to see how that came together. So I want to make a stand for this thing, but strangely, just jabbing it into the edge of the wood doesn't connect it. So I measured out how wide I needed the incision to be and how tall it needed to be. Marked that up. Figured why not try the bandsaw for that. Little tricky doing this on the bandsaw because I needed to make sure that I kept the heart level so that the cut would be the same on both sides. Probably should have made some sort of jig for this, but where it was just a one-off piece, I wasn't that worried about it. Figured if it's not quite straight up and down, it's going to be fine. And just like the earlier bandsaw work, I ended up doing quite a bit more on the bandsaw to try and perfect that piece before I could actually get the stand to fit. Little Type Bond original glue. And spread it around with the brush because it's a little hard to reach in there with my finger and spread it around very well. Plus, I'm trying to be better about using glue on my fingers. I've got these brushes, they're dirt cheap, why not use them? Then I inserted the stand, tried to make sure it was seated properly and that the glue was filling in all of those excess gaps around the edges. And then bam, go with the brad nail to secure it in there and make it so I don't have to wait for the glue to dry. I'm not a very patient person. I should work on that. There you have it, a simple, easy standing heart made on the bandsaw.